The other night I was traveling from Manchester, Georgia to Wolf Spring, Georgia on Georgia 41. As I was traveling, I was going about 4 or 5 miles per hour with the speed limit. I passed a car that was traveling in the left-hand lane, which in Georgia you're supposed to stay in the right lane unless you're passing someone. And after I passed them, they decided that they would speed up. Then they got rather close to me. And then they did something illegal at what the locals call Bussey's Crossroads. They passed me in a turn zone. I pray they'll be safe.